Now, these 30 parts of the Quran, I have not been able to ascertain when it started. But I find, the beauty that was there in the Ahzab, that the whole surahs were included in Ahzab. That is not here present. Here we find that the ramparts of the surahs are broken. To the extent that, of Surah Al-Hijr, only one ayah is in the 13th part, and the rest of the whole surah is in the 14th part. I don't know who has done it. But one thing is certain, it was not there in the time of the Prophet or of the companions. These things have been added later on, because when Muslims had decreased, emotional connection with Quran and sentimental connection with Quran, now they wanted to complete the recitation of Quran in 1 month. So they needed 30 parts, so that by reciting one part each day, they can at least complete the recitation of the whole Quran in 1 month.